Children are a heritage from the Lord, the fruit of the womb or reward. Therefore, children are the ultimate gift from the Lord. So, we should all treat them with the utmost respect, love, and care. The most magical day of my life was the day I became a mother. Baby can give you hope, happiness, and purpose of life. Being a parent, especially the first time, you will have to experience with crazy, magical, not to mention extremely exhausting roller coaster rides of your life. However, baby can change your life in an unbelievable way. Being a parent is mostly about being full of love, joy, hope, and unimaginable delight even when you are bone tired. You will laugh more than even before. All the craziness, such as sleepless nights, the toilet training, tantrums, will soon end. Time will run swiftly, and in the blink of an eye, your infant will be a toddler, and before you know it, ready for the school. Baby's stage is so special and so short-lived that you will miss it dearly when it's gone. Watching your child grow is one of the most magical and mystical experiences of your life. Therefore, don't be constantly worried and panicked about your baby. Rather, try to make the most out of it. Also, don't take life too seriously. Remember to relax and have fun as a family, enjoying this beautiful gift that you have been blessed with. Try to capture every single moment with your baby. Children teach us so much about life. A child will find true joy in the simplest of the things. Children teach us how to love unconditionally, how to forgive, to be giving, to be honest, to be careful, to trust instincts and patience, and many more other lessons which are the fundamental lessons for life. Having a child fall asleep in your arms is one of the most sweetest and peaceful feelings in the world. Nothing in life will ever make you as happy, as sad, as exhausted, or as incredibly proud as motherhood. It's very hard to be a perfect parent, but there is a million ways to be a good one. Having a child just puts your whole world into perspective. Everything else just disappears. Remember, the family you come from is important, but the family you create is your number one priority. Seeing your child happy is one of the best feelings in the world. As a parent, we try our best to teach our children all about life, but really they are the ones teaching us what life is all about. Having a baby is like falling in love again, both with your partner and your child. Loving a baby is a circular business, a kind of feedback loop. The more you give, the more you get, and the more you get, the more you feel like giving. A new baby is like the beginning of all the things, such as wonder, hope, or dream of possibilities. There are places in the heart you don't even know exist until you love a child. A baby is something you carry inside you for 9 months, in your arms for 3 years, and in your heart till the day you die. The most beautiful sight in the world is a smiling baby, and the most precious sound to hear is of a baby's laugh. Therefore, the baby's smile is a reflection of beauty and joy.